Hey members. Okay, so here we're walking into my studio. Welcome to my new studio. Doesn't look like a big deal, but it was. It certainly was. This is half of it. There used to be a big divider wall right here, a divider shelf kind of, that cut the room in half. So we took that out. He built the trellis up here so that I could hang all of my camera equipment from above rather than having it, on my table. We rescued all of the slat board from that center wall that was removed and put the slat board against my walls so that I could still use them. My studio is still a little bit of a mess, so I'm a little bashful, but I'm giving you the tour like I promised. And my big, nice big windows, it's crazy. Right after the remodel, and not because of it, our pipes blew up to the extent of $17,000. So there is this major construction going on in front of my home today. Here's the other half as I pan in. Here's the desk where I sit. There's my big monstrous bin of scraps. And my material storage is all over here, although that's still kind of a mess. I'm not going to give any close-ups there. But there we go, you guys. Welcome to my studio. It's a perfectly twisted place, and it's going to get cuter. I'm going to put some, add some cute stuff to this trellis up here, and I'll get a little bit more organized. Oh, here goes my giant anvil, if you're wondering where that was. And my girls are up there, and then my wire wall, and again my material storage is here. Here's my little bin of dowels, files that I use all the time, the map pins, my little basket of hammers, some spare equipment for that side of the desk, some spare tools back there. And then this is my primary workstation. And within these drawers down here, I have silver and gold wires as well that I work with, that I keep on hand. And then you recognize all the little gemstones and the little trays, my necks and my anvils, my biggie anvils. I use that big screen TV. Sometimes I watch TV, and sometimes I just project my monitor to the TV so that I can see what I'm doing, and how it might look on a big monitor to you. So I've got torches, I've got gold and silver scraps up here on my upper shelf, my fireworks station, and some soldering wires. I do stuff I don't tell you guys about. Yeah, sure. My sink, and then my storage area. So everything is good except this single wall back here. So I got this little wire rig at the dollar store. I think it was supposed to be for pliers or something, but anyway, look how good it holds my working spools. So when I build a project, I grab only the spools that I need, and I put them down on my desk, and I keep the rest of it stashed up there on the wall. So I rearranged all of this Dremel situation. So here's where I'm going to be sanding from now on. This is all dollar store rigging, but it works really well. I have my mask, I have my place where I sand, a place for my camera, and this is where I polish. And this is the Dremel I use for my polish. The other Dremel back there I use for sanding. And this is my fireworks station. So my map gas is there. I've got my fireproof or fire resistant surfaces, my pickle, masks, and up here I have torches. I have other things that I use with fire, such as the flux and some other stuff, my polishing agents and my Dremel stuff. So it's pretty all right. some freaky things up here. I think it's just storage for now. But that's this side of the board. My big dust collection system is underneath here. It's I have a thing that goes there that the hose attaches to, so when I Dremel, the debris is actually sucked into the dust bin there, and that's, you know, pretty necessary if you're going to keep your studio clean and your lungs clean. And then here goes my desk. You probably see some familiar stuff going on here. My workstation and my wire wall, my second computer setup, my second camera, and there will be a third one coming in here in a few days somewhere. I'll figure that one out when it gets here. But anyway, there you go, you guys. And I have my wires up here by gauge and by type, so brass, coppers, silvers, the things I use the most are the most in reach, but this wall works out fantastic. And if you recognize my earring hanger, there goes all of our earrings we've been making. Anyway, all right. So there's more of it. There's more of my studio. And this is the big new thing. It was built and then it was hung up there so that I can dangle all of my equipment and get it up off my desk. This camera here has yet to get an arm up there, but soon it'll be off the desk too. And then as we pan over, that's temporary curtain situation, but as we pan over, there goes my bookshelf, and then the door into my studio is there. Some of my workout equipment is there. And my beads, some of them are hanging over here. That's not all quite done yet. Some of it's going to come from the baskets over here from the bead storage, and, you know, probably get reorganized for that. But anyway, you guys, there it is. Thanks for being here. And I appreciate you very much for giving me a few days to get all this done. So hopefully I'll be able to make more videos, better, brighter, and faster for us. All right, much love. Have a good day. So there you go. There's the Studio 360. Thanks for being here with me, you guys. We'll see you soon again. Much love.